Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am so excited. I have a giant box of Goose Creek destination candles here. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending me these. And I can actually smell these candles without even opening the box. How much fun is this? So, I'm gonna unbox these, and then when Lenny is here, I'm sure we will do an incredibly fun video around this collection. But oh my gosh, I can just smell the aroma coming up. Let me see what's going on at Goose Creek tonight. They have so many new candles coming in. Okay, so right now they have 1049. Oh my goodness, they have new summer. Yeah. Oh my goodness. 1049. You're in for a treat. They have got watermelon bubblegum, buttercream sprinkles, raspberry sorbet, peach rings, red, white, and blue, grape soda, and pink bubblegum. The jars are amazing. So, yes, new candles at Goose Creek. Right now, we're going to talk about the destination candles. I am so excited. These are beautiful. So they look like vintage postage stamps. I gotta say, absolutely stunning. We have Japan, which is green tea and white peach. This one is juicy white peach, green tea, and sugared ice. Oh yeah. This smells incredible. I'm getting the green tea and I'm getting the peach. It smells delicate. It smells pretty. Okay, next up, we have China, which is sugared lychee. Look at this. This one is red lychee, sweet strawberries, and crystallized sugar. Oh my gosh. This one is really spicy. Oh, this is incredible. Okay, this has got a sugared, I guess it's the lychee. This has got a really interesting, spicy scent. Okay, next up, we have Brazil. Look at Brazil. This one is passion fruit and Cape Perhana. Oh my gosh, Lenny, I need you. Passion fruit, nectar, sparkling lime, and sugar cane juice. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. It's passion fruit. That's so pretty, the jar. Okay, next up, I feel like I'm going around the world and not leaving my home. The Netherlands, the Dutch Stroopel waffle. Yeah. This one is crispy Stroopel waffle, gooey caramel, buttery dough, and sweet honey. Oh my god, that is so good. Okay, I love that we have the gourmands, the fruit, the floor. We got everything in here. Gosh, the caramel in this one. I've smelled this before. The Stroopel waffle. It's amazing. Okay, next up. Oh, we go to Germany. The Black Forest cake. Rich chocolate cake, sweet cherries, and whipped cream. This is incredible. It is Black Forest cake. That is beautiful. Okay. Next destination, Belgium, sweet shop. This one is warm pastry, baked dough, vanilla icing, and sweet bakery air. Oh, it's a pastry shop. This one's beautiful. I get the doughiness in this one. That is amazing. Okay, Belgium, like around the world. Italy, sweet Terissimo. Italian espresso, whipped cream, cocoa powder, and sugar. Well, you know I'm going to like this one. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Look at Italy. Letty's going to like that one. Next up, we have Austria. Oh my gosh, the hills are alive. Austria apple strudel. This one is sweet cinnamon apples, ground clove, and puff pastry. Oh yeah. This is so good, you guys. That apple note is just like strong. It's strudel. Okay. 2 more destinations. I have Jamaica fruit cake. Look at that. I wish I was in Jamaica. Dried fruits, island spice, Caribbean rum, and warm cake. Oh, yeah. I get the fruit. I get the rum. I get the cake. Okay. Final destination. Isn't that a movie? France. Okay. This is pain au chocolate. Again, my French isn't too good. Milk chocolate, flaky butter croissants, and powdered sugar. Oh my gosh, this one is really good. So the difference between like France and Germany is like the really rich chocolate moist cake, where this one is a lot more delicate. It's like a high-end French pastry. Oh my gosh, I gotta say, I'm loving this collection. I cannot wait to share this with Lenny, see what he's got to think, but it's really fun. I'm going to take pictures of these. It's beautiful. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending me these. I don't know which ones are my favorite. I got to say, I like them all. That apple strudel is strong. I love the German chocolate cake. I like the more delicate, you know, like the passion fruit and the delicate Japanese. This is really nice. Green tea and white peach. They're all like pretty darn incredible. So anyway, destination candles at Goose Creek. Check them out. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.